smaller than Bob's hand, right? That's Bob's hand.
Baby's growing up.
It's overwhelming. I would know one thing.
Well, you know what?
Growing up.
And we're
You're a good
2
mother,
years
aren't you?
behind us. I'm like, cool, little tops, you know? When someone says, do you have any pictures of that? I don't even know what color they are anymore. You know, it's funny, at first, I said, how does she not know that? But now I see here, yeah, you're right, I don't know how you know them all. You can't. They all start to run together.
That's correct.
Gwen probably knows him too.
You know.
Oh, wait, I do. That's my favorite.
Come on down, you could have some.
Congratulations. Good, you can put one aside or put them on. Where's microwave?
So what do you want to do?
Well, I wanted to get them individually, so I don't know if you want to just hold them in your hands out like this, and I'll just take them.
With their name?
If you can do that, yeah. If you can somehow get the name to, or even if we just put them down here when I get them. Is that wrinkled?
That's wrinkled. Hold on, wrinkled girlfriend. Where you going?
Yeah. So then you gotta kind of, yeah, even.
Wrinkled, look at Mark. Oops, what's your name? You can hold it up yourself.
That's a cute. Okay, so so that one there, we'll remember we did, so put it over here. That's how it works.
Okay, let's take the dryer. Oops. Where you going?
Very cute.
Are they eating?
No, we're just gonna.
There's one behind
We're
you.
gonna try it.
That one is.
Where you going, buddy? This one. Hold on.
That one. Try it?
Wait, right? Yep. Try it. Look at Uncle Mark.
Perfect. Oh, yeah. I want those big arms. Okay.
Who are you hanging out of here? You all washer. Let's look at Swarmer. Where you going? Just salad.
Oh, I thought it was the dog food.
Oh, no.
Oops.
Gwen is working on that. I don't know if she's ready. Mark's taking pictures now.
Okay.
She's going to be fun.
Yeah.
Yep, Washer's going to be fun. Well, they're all going to be fun, but she has outgoing personality.
Which one?
Washer, the first one.
Wash the first one.
Yep.
You know, for a while I had this thing about the firstborn puppy was the one with the personality.
Yeah.
I had that for a long time.
She's going to be, well, Whit was the first one from his
Washer.
litter.
Where you going?
All right.
He's got a personality.
I think it's good.
We'll try her again.
It was so funny listening to all the people.
There's belly button.
I never brought my dogs out to walk around during
That's
Dog Fest.
Where you going?
Because-
you already had your
Oh, you got
turn.
that, huh?
Yeah, I
You
did
got
get
that.
A little bit of a handful, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're a little wonky. And so the whole first morning on Saturday, I kept replaying to myself, where are we going to go? How am I going to get them out? Who's going to help? Blah, blah, blah. I had so many people coming up to me. They had so many visits in the barn. I said, they don't even need to come out. people are having a better experience because they're able to go in the kennel and pat them if like people would come up and say Wit hid but Chester came out, or Chester hid but Wit came out. People were telling me Martha was giving them kisses, or Martha was barking at me, but they must have gotten 100 visits.
Yeah.
Both days, everybody going in there. I said they never would have gotten all that if we had gone out for a
Little
walk.
Chubette.
Chubette.
Little chubby girl. Hold your name.
Her name fits her well.
It's like a mugshot. Hold your name up.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh my. I didn't notice that.
You stepped
Oh, yeah.
Who did?
My heavens.
Oh.
Arlene.
I thought something smelled.
I know, I did too. And there, I thought it was her bed at first.
No, it's my feet. Oh, I haven't done that in years.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Oh, come on, Cameron. What do I want to do, man?
What's the matter, little cubby? Chubette.
Link's coming back.
Oh, the camera doesn't want to be sick. Put that in. I should get the other one.
They're okay, Opal.
You're fine.
Oh, watch
Dig
your
good,
butt.
dig good.
Oh, yeah, there's one up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Mark, that was the
Okay,
waitress.
into you.
Huh?
This is
That was the waitress from the country club. The girl, the blonde girl.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
She was well, I didn't either, and I said hello to her, and I had an
The
email.
one that waited on her
Yeah.
that night?
Yep.
Where you going?
Yep. She was so
Okay,
enthusiastic,
okay.
and she emailed the next day,
Come here,
and
you
I
she
gave her a
said,
good, I gave her a good tip.
"There you go."
I gave her a good tip. Oops.
But and then she said, "Can I come in on Saturday?"
Oh,
and I
that's
said,
funny.
"Sure."
Oh, really?
Yeah. And as an FYI, this camera sound can hear you talking all the way in the office.
What's the matter?
Okay, that's good.
Oh, wait.
Thank
You want the sign up the dog?
Oh, good.
What? Adelaide? This one? Little Addie, where are you? She's in here somewhere. There she is. Come out, pumpkin. There you go, little girl. Wait. You gotta hold your name up so people know who you are. You gotta look at the camera.
Well, believe it or not, years from now, thank goodness I do them this way, because I can remember somebody. Can I have pictures? I can't even remember what color they are.
Yeah. I know, but where are you going?
Come on. Give it a second to reset.
It's not that bad.
Doesn't squirm around so much. Okay, that's good.
All right, here you go.
You got one left? Two left?
Got another one.
Oh, one. Yeah, there's one underneath your leg right
Oh,
there.
there is.
Well, we-
Spinner, yeah.
Spinner.
There is.
Well, that's part of the wash cycle.
Steve was so funny when he was talking about their names. He said, "Are we gonna change their names?" And no, he's like, "I thought it was a joke." And I said, I go, I kind of like Lint. He goes, "Then you take him to the mall. Lint, down. Lint, walk on. Lint, washer, walk on. Dryer, down."
Huh?
That should be good.
Steve was talking about the dogs' names, and he asked if we were changing them, and we said no. And I said, "Well, I kind of like Lint," and he said, "You take him to the mall. Lint, walk on. Lint, tumbler, washer, down."
What's the matter?
What are you growling at out there?
Who's out there? I don't know. I can't look.
Right.
Oh, the people that were in here, the waitress.
Oh, yeah. Now I recognize her.
Yep. And that's her mom. I said, I asked her mom if she knew what she was getting herself into when she got dragged down here. She said, "No, not really, but this is fun." I said, "Okay."
Where are you going?
I haven't had to tie my shoes in so long. I can't do it.
Uh-oh.
It's bad.
in shit in years.
Oh, you owe $1 for the swear
Oh,
jar.
Somebody gave me $5 yesterday.
Oh, there you go. You have 3 more, I'm sure.
I keep saying that. We don't unload that swear bear. It's
Full?
it's got a bunch of
I
money
think
in
it has an IOU for me for $1.
What's the matter back there? What's all that noise about? It's okay, Opie. They're good.
Look at that. I got shoes. They're tied to shoes.
Are those the ones that we found upstairs?
I don't
Were
know.
those yet?
I have no idea.
Was that recently?
Last year, was it last year or the year before? I was with Arlene, we were cleaning out up there, and I'm like, oh look, Carlene had some new sneakers. I wonder if she's still looking for these. Oh, when you were looking for your bag of clothes, I think.
Yeah.
When you had moved into the other bedroom.
Oh, that was a while ago.
Yeah, a while ago. So that was funny though.
Things you find up in
I know.
a closet or a trunk
I
or
put them
whatever.
away for good safekeeping.
Yeah.
Right there.
I did that a lot. I'm like, oh, I'll put it away for safekeeping, then I can't remember where the heck I put it.
And then you forget about it altogether.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, usually, New Balance, they usually go buy 3, 4, 5 pair of shoes. Just because they wear the same kind all the time.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Until I got into this with no tie.
Well, once you find a sneaker that you can wear, you gotta buy a bunch.
I know.
How I used to be.
The ones that I used to wear are the Saucony or Saucony
Oh, yeah,
or whatever. Those are really good for my back.
He does New Balance too.